Hello everybody, welcome to Miss Bobby's Home Cooking. Today I am going to be making a pita pizza, a delicious pita pizza. It's fun to make. It's going to be a pepperoni pita pizza and a veggie pita pizza. So we're going to get started with about 2 cups of self-rising flour and about 2 cups of Greek yogurt. Mix it all together. We don't need any other ingredients in this, just the flour and the Greek yogurt. We're going to bring it all together. A little flour on the board. I'm not going to do too much kneading, just like I said, bring it all together into a nice little ball. I'm going to wrap it in some saran wrap and let it sit for about 15-20 minutes just so the dough can loosen up a little bit. Okay, so we're going to put it out on the board, flour it a little bit, not that much kneading. I'm going to cut it into about 6 pieces. I want to thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. We're going to roll the dough out to about 6 inches. As you can see on my cutting board, I have measured it to about 6 inches. And as the dough is sitting and waiting for me to prepare it, we want to wrap it in some saran wrap to keep it from getting dry. And I'm shredding some mozzarella pizza. I'm shredding some mozzarella cheese and chopping up some pepperoni and some veggies. You can put whatever you like on your pita pizza. Put in about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of oil. Make sure it's good and hot. And I enjoy eating the pita even by itself. Pita pizza bread just by itself is good. Okay, so we have our 6 pita pizza doughs ready, and I'm going to prepare them. Put your favorite tomato sauce on. I happen to like this one. Cheddar cheese. Some mozzarella cheese. You can fix these little pizza the way you like, however you like. Whatever topping you prefer, please put it on there. So we have pepperoni pita pizzas and we have veggie pita pizzas. Season the way you like. The pepperoni pizza already has enough salt on it, so you don't need to add any more. But some garlic herbs, some Italian seasoning, and of course add a little extra cheese, and then drizzle a little oil on top of all of the pita pizzas. Place in the oven for about 15-20 minutes at about 400 degrees or until it's nice and melty. The cheese is all nice and melty. It looks delicious. Remember, please like and subscribe. Have a nice little salad with this and you have a nice meal. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and share. Leave me a comment and enjoy.